When I got the job offer, to be honest, I didn't get the notification. My roommate found it first. So I'm hearing the noise from the room, and then I realized how I got into a job.
I just said, "Oh yeah, finally, don't have to worry anymore now. I have finally cracked it and I'm placed now."
My son is a data engineer. It's like a huge transition from campus to corporate role.
Had it not been for my parents, I would not have reached where I am today.
So I was actually really excited when I heard he was joining Tredence.
बहुत कुछ मिल गया मुझे.
And it was our dream and his dream also.
I really needed the support of my parents and my husband while I went and studied. So they have played a very important role in me reaching here.
The word I would describe Tredence in would be welcoming, because that's the feeling I got when I stepped into this office.
Welcome to all the extended family of traders joining in. Thank you. This is the Alchemy graduation day.
The amazing learning culture we have here. It's overwhelming also.
Learning culture.
Everybody is so approachable.
I never stop learning. So every day you get a new technology to learn through.
Fantastic.
Party is young.
Learning. It's very enlightening.